Welcome back. Welcome back. Uncle Bob, crypto is in the house. I want to welcome you all back. I hope it's been a good day. I hope you had a fantastic day, no matter where you were on the globe. We got to look up, try and be positive. It ain't going to last forever. We're in winter. Spring is coming. And COVID ain't going to last forever. This new normal? No. We create ourselves new every single day. We can improve every single day. That is what we're here to do, guys. That's what we're here to do. This is a little mix that I thought I'd put on for you. It's called the Lo-Fi House Mix, Stoner House Edition by Cataract. Some wicked tunes in here. It's from 1988. And yeah, why don't we just get into the news? What's going on in crypto land? Boom. We got Bitcoin. It's down 10% today. It was just at 30 grand a few minutes ago. Where is it going from here? Fuck knows. But people are looking at it and they're a little bit nervous. But I have reason to believe that we're on the way back up again. I'm going to tell you why. It's a little report in the Cointelegraph today that proves that there are more longs. There are double the longs at this point in the market than there are shorts. So we should be looking at a relief rally of some kind and possibly a move back up. Let's see what happens. But you can see here, just in the top 10, they're all down in double digits. It's not looking good for many of them. But hey, this is crypto, man. This is we got to be used to this by now. Let's have a look at the gainers and losers. I thought I'd go by volume. You got the Sandbox over on Binance. It's up 103% today. We got CeeLo is go today, 41% up, and most of the other ones you will see right here that it's all the leverage tokens, the ones that want to go down, and that's to be expected. Let's have a look. This was running. CoinGecko have their own news feed. Ripple. Executives have predicted what's coming for crypto in 2021. It says members of senior management in Ripple made a set of crypto predictions. The general counsel, Stu Aderati, believes the growth of crypto in the US hinges on friendly crypto regulation as the sector continues to mature. He believes there's going to be an unleashing of innovation and further mainstream adoptions of cryptocurrencies in the US. He quotes, over the course of 2021, I expect to see greater evolution of cryptocurrency, stablecoins and CBDCs, each firm establishing their own place in finance and payments through more defined use cases. He says, I believe at least 25% of the value deployed in DeFi by the end of 21 will be on networks other than Ethereum. So where would that be? Where will those networks be? Well, I say for one, you're looking at DOT and you're looking at AVAX. That's just my opinion. He says the tide is turning. It's possible we could even see a fintech or cryptocurrency company acquire a traditional finance institution this coming year. You'll see. Right, let's have a look at the trading side of things, guys. This is running in the Cointelegraph. It says pro traders buy the dip as bears push Bitcoin to the price to the edge of 30k. It says after correcting 15%, Bitcoin price dropped to 30k, but derivatives indicators suggest pro traders are buying the dip. So what does it mean by that? Buying the dip. You see here, and here. OKX longs are 2.5 times larger than the shorts. And it says here 20% crashes are the norm rather than the exception. So it does say that Bitcoin faced a 20% crash and tested sub $28,000 levels on January the 4th and was followed by a 27% intraday decline on January the 11th. Those brave enough to buy each of those dips, a recovery of up to 30% followed less than 4 days later. So, nothing to be scared of, guys. Nothing to be scared of. Let's go over to Twitter. I want you to see this. This is around DSD, which is dynamic set dollar, I think they're called. You'll see there. All right, DSD. A coalition of DSD whales has brought out the biggest bear in the community. It says, DeFi keeps surprising me, not a single boring day. Escobar.eth says, I've executed an OTC over-the-counter deal officially and sold out 5.5 million DSD to a whale group. I will not be impending further expansion efforts. And let's have a look at the latest on that. So basically what it is that whenever DSD is under $1, you buy coupons and you kind of stake that those coupons can only be redeemed when the price goes over $1 again. And what's happened is a whole load of people who bought these coupons expecting it to go above $1 where they could redeem them. It just hasn't happened because this whale has been sort of stopping them. You can see on the chart here, it's at 81 cents now, but there you can see it's not been above $1 since just after Christmas. So a lot of people they haven't been able to redeem these coupons, and I think the coupons have to be redeemed within 30 days. So that time is coming. You can see here people, the current sort of feeling is they're jumping on the DSD train, quiet before the storm. DSD, interesting. Yes, so people are like either buying speculatively, thinking this will go up over $1, or the whales now can be in charge of this asset, push it over $1, redeem those coupons. And what a lot of people do then is that they buy they buy shares or something in DSD, and there's rebases. You know what, there's no point in me talking about this because I actually don't know, but it's a rebasing token after $1, and you can see in these phases, these epochs, people made a lot of money because it got pushed up to like $3, and I believe that made a lot of people rich. Something worth looking into. I'm not a financial advisor. I haven't really got a fucking clue how it works, but I do know DSD is one of those more interesting stable coin, elastic supply tokens. Right, let's move on. DeFi Tech. DeFi Tech is, well, I do know him. He comes out with brilliant information. This is one of the best Twitter accounts on the net right now. Follow this guy, not because I'm telling you to, just because the information is so good. Quality projects. It's part of a community, really into DeFi, really on the cutting edge of all those dot projects. If you want to see market alpha of the finest kind, follow DeFi Tech. He alerted me to Chainguardians, you can see down here. Box Mining tweeted about it today. Box Mining tweeted about 4 separate projects that he's looking at. One of them is Chainguardians. Super Farm is Leo Trades, new thing. eMoney.com is on AVAX, currency-backed stablecoins. I'll be looking into that in the next few days, but I want to just focus in on Chainguardians. Still quite small. I haven't had a public sale yet. And what is it? Well, I'm just going to mute that for a second, and I'm going to play you a little video. Shall we? Let's do it.
The year is 2073. I've been roaming the cryptoverse for over a year, searching for Papa and Onesa. After they arrived, the gatekeepers. The cryptoverse is a war zone. Blocks of freedom fighters are springing up everywhere, fighting back. I was the first defender, leader, and protector of our world, our planet. Bitcoin. After a year of captivity and oppression, I discovered a way to harness the new technologies they brought and use them against them. People rallied, and I quickly became their leader. Eventually, we freed ourselves from their tyranny. I was the first of what are now known as Chainguardians. Stories of my
Guys, this looks wicked, doesn't it? Let's continue.
victory and escape from the clutches of the gatekeeper's tyrant spread throughout the cryptoverse. Soon after, new Chainguardians began to lead planet inhabitants to freedom. New technologies were invented, which enabled warriors to stand a chance. Since then, communication and trade networks have been established between worlds. Pirate crews began to roam the open space and ferry planet's inhabitants back and forth.
Very quickly, right? Listen, man, this is wicked. Imagine how much money they've put into this. Gaming, blockchain, all that kind of stuff. We've always known it's an area that will go hand in glove with each other. But you know, you look at a lot of these projects, a lot of these pre-sales, and some of their videos that they churn out, you know, to promote the product, they're just crap. There's, you know, you can get them done on Fiverr for a $5. They put money into this. They put some serious money into it. Anyway, I'll shut the F up and let you see more. Let's go.
We established a currency system known as CGC. While friends and foes are continuously developed throughout the cryptoverse, one threat still remains: the gatekeepers. We don't know their motives, we don't know their strength, and we don't know their leader. But we know they will never stop. And neither will we.
Boom! That looks bad. Rude boy. That looks fucking brilliant. Right, that is Chainguardians. Right, I just wanted to the website. I'll leave a link below because there's a lot to see. What I want you to kind of quickly focus in on is the token. Right, here we go. So it says the world's first ecosystem where blockchain meets superheroes. We aim to combine traditional gaming concepts with blockchain technologies to enable player-driven economies. Our solutions, the inception of blockchain technology has enabled a new wave of exciting opportunities to combat traditional gaming challenges. So as blockchain gaming, look at all these sort of ticks. Traditional gaming, you can't get decentralized gaming platform, player-driven asset ownership, cross-platform transferable gaming assets, and transparent gaming economy. Play-to-earn gaming platform. You see an NFT mining game, cryptoverse role-playing game, blockchain superheroes, PvP. It says meet the Guardians, limited quality NFTs between 15 to 200 to maintain scarcity. If you saw me yesterday, guys, I was talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. It's digital art. It's going to be massive. It already is massive, but it's in its early infancy, the infant stages of development. And it's projects like Guardians that are going to absolutely slam it. They're absolutely going to like slam dunk. This is a slam dunk pre-sale crypto if you can get in. It's an absolute beaut. You can see how much effort they put in. The detail is there. The team are there. I've been hearing, and it is being followed and pretty much promoted and given the thumbs up by the top influencers in the industry, not just any influencers. We're talking about Box Mining, huge YouTube channel with hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and Twitter account with hundreds of thousands of people following him, or maybe even. He's got a lot of people following him, a lot of people waiting on his word. So yeah, look, I just wanted to do a brief overview of this. I really will be looking to get into this, look into the team, look into the tech, look into everything in more detail soon. But I wanted you to alert you to it because this is a project I'm hearing amazing things in and about, excuse me. It's the tech integration business development. So these are the, it just looks cool. It looks really, really cool. And we're just gonna have a little bit of a dance, celebrate, getting through another day, guys. It's Uncle Bob Crypto. Uncle Bob Crypto. So if you, just in summary, don't be afraid. Bitcoin may be on its way up again. Number 2, Ripple reckon that by the end of the year, we're going to have crypto companies buying out institutional banks, and they're going to be buying old money. New money will be buying old money. DSD, dynamic set dollar, keep an eye on it. Goes over $1, then it would have been worth buying that whale out. And lastly, look into Chainguardians. Chainguardians. Look into it, guys. Uncle Bob, let's get this cheese together. Peace out. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace.